Hi, it's Monique with Walker Tape. Today we're answering the question, are our products waterproof? The answer is yes. We make all our tapes, liquid adhesives, and hard bonds to be waterproof. However, if your clients want to hit the pool, the beach, or jet skis, they're going to need more than waterproof. Chlorine, salt, and pulling due to the currents, waves, and jumping into water all affect their hair systems. The best advice for these clients is to protect their hair system with a swim cap. Then remind them to carefully remove the cap afterward to avoid any unintentional pulling. Now, if they want to risk underwater swimming without a cap, here's some advice you can share. Before getting in the water, suggest they use a more budget-friendly synthetic system. Spray leave-in conditioner onto the length of their hair. Brush from the ends up. Braid and tie their hair up to avoid tangles. And lightly dampen their hair with shower water first. While swimming without a cap, they should avoid swimming against or cross currents or waves, avoid jumping or diving, and spend as little time as possible in salt or chlorinated water. Afterward, have them unbraid and shampoo their hair in the shower as soon as possible. Gently pat their hair dry with a towel to help the air dry process go faster. Spray leave-in conditioner along the length of their hair. Brush their hair working up from the ends once their hair has dried. Dive even deeper into this topic by visiting our blog at walkertapeco.com.